If you want to remove those desktop widgets on your Mac, the clock, weather, the reminders in the top left corner, you can turn them off completely. A lot of people don't realize macOS lets you hide them with one single toggle. So here's how to do it. Firstly, you have to right click anywhere on your desktop and you want to click on edit widgets, okay? And from here we can basically turn them off. Now when you have this widget setting over here at the bottom, you can already see the minus icons next to each widget. This means if you click on, let's say this, it's going to remove it, okay? So it's that simple. So you can simply click on this minus icon for each widget which you want to hide or remove. And then basically you can add them also from here. So let's say I want to add those photos. You just have to click on it and it's going to pop up on your window. Okay, so let's say I want to keep only the weather, and the really good thing, you can also like drag it on your desktop so you can move it wherever you want. And this was a quick video how to hide widgets on your Mac or how to remove them. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.